Hello, teacher.
Hi, Peter. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you today, Peter?
I'm great.
Oh, wow, that's really nice. Did you go to school this morning?
Yes, I go to school this
Very
morning.
good. Okay, what did you do in school?
Mm, I study with my friend and mm, play cricket.
Oh, very good. Okay, so anyway, today we're going to continue in Unit 10. So this is Part C. So I want you to look at the picture, Peter. Okay, so they are in the art museum. So look at the picture and write the words. So you can actually find 16 more things that actually begin with the same first letter. So there is one example in here. Look, letter A. What are the words that starts with letter A that you can see in the picture? So we have apple, okay, animal. What else? We also have A. Hmm. Let's say aunt. Okay, if we're going to assume that this is their aunt. Aunt. Okay, what about B? You start with letter B, Peter. What are the pictures in here that starts with letter B?
Butterfly.
Very good. Anything
Mm,
else?
um, belt.
Pardon?
Pelt.
Okay, very good. Belt and bat. What about letter C?
Comic. And
Comic and
uh, um, mm, comic
okay.
and
What do you call that?
I don't know.
Okay, so this one, it starts with letter C. What's this?
Cheese.
Cheese. Very good. Anything else?
Mm, mm, no.
Nothing else. Oh, yes. Look, there are many. Cage. This one, this is the cage. And the coat. Who wears the coat? Oh, yeah, the girl wears a coat. Okay. What about here, Peter? Starts with letter D. Dress.
Rest. Mm,
You also have, okay, this one.
mention
What do you call this?
is
Dinosaur. Okay,
dinosaur.
so dress and dinosaur. Anything else, Peter?
Mm, no.
Nothing else. So let's see. Okay, so we have dinosaur
Drink.
and drink. So where
Drink.
is the drink here? Can you
Ah,
see the drinks?
yeah.
Oh, I cannot see it.
Here.
Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you for that, Peter. How about letter F? We have finger and
Five.
fly. Very good. Anything else? F.
Mm.
We also have flower.
Flower. Red flower.
Very good. What else? There's more.
Finger.
Finger, flower. We also have fish. Yeah, feet and food. Okay, how about letter G? Gloves
Glove.
and girl.
Go.
What else?
No, what me a minute. I
Okay.
need time to find.
Yeah, I am also looking for it. G, G, G. Grass.
Oh, grass.
Okay, what else, Peter? You can actually
Green.
give me one.
Green. Green.
Green. Very good. Okay. Oh, but your answer and my answers are not even here. Okay, but grass and green are actually words that starts with letter G. Very good. So there's more glass, grape, and glasses. Okay, what
No,
about
where's
letter E?
glass? Where's
The
glass?
glass. Let's look for
Where?
it. Glass, glass, glass. Oh, this one, because this is an aquarium. So it is made of glass. Do you know what an aquarium is?
No, glass.
Okay, so let me show you a picture of an aquarium. So this is actually where we put the fish and some animals when we would pet them in our house, like this one. This one.
I know.
Yes, that's what we call an aquarium. So this is also made out of glass. Okay. What about letter H? Ha, ha. So we have hair,
Ha. No. Head. Head.
head. Very good. We also have hands. What else?
Human. Human. Human.
Human beings. Great job. Anything else? We have here handbag.
Handbag.
Okay, very good. So we have hand, head, and handbag. Oh, we found them all. How about letter I? Information. Oh, it's kind of hard. I.
Do you find?
Yeah, letter I. Can you find some?
Iceland. No, no, have
Island.
Iceland.
Yeah, there's no island in here. I was also looking for an island. Okay, so let's see. Insect and internet. So where's oh yeah,
Where's
this one. These are all insects. Even these, they are also insects. Even the butterflies are considered insects. Okay, and we also have an internet. Okay, so
where?
what about L?
Where
Oh,
internet?
internet. Let's see. Hmm. Internet. Maybe this one.
Uh,
Yes, they saw the information in the internet like that. Okay. So what about this one, Peter? Like letter L, lizard. L.
Lisa. Lift.
Leaves. Very good. Then we also have ladybug. What else? L.
Let. Let.
Let. How do you spell that? Oh, light. You say light.
Yeah.
Yes, or we call it lamp too. Okay, so leg, light, leaf. Okay, then we have ladybug. Oh, actually, they are ladybugs. Okay, what about letter M? Mouth and is there
Mouse.
a
Mouse.
mouse or mice? Very good. We have two of them. What else?
Mm.
Do we have monkey? No, we don't have monkey. Okay, mom. We can also call her mom. Okay, so let's see. We have mouse, moon, and money. Oh, is there money in here? Can you see some money?
Mm.
There's no money, right? There isn't any money here. Oh, right here. So this
Where?
is money. Okay, moon. The moon is here. Okay, so that's right.
I
What
can
about
say
letter
money.
M? Money, like here, inside the bug. We have some coins and paper bill. So that's considered money. Okay, what about letter N? Necklace and letter N.
I don't
It's
know. It's
hard.
so
Nose. Necklace, nose. What else?
nose.
Okay, so number, neck and nose. Oh yeah, we have neck too. Numbers. Yeah, we can see numbers in here. So they all starts with letter N. Okay, how about letter P? So we have parrot. Let's finish this. Parrot. What else?
Pant. Pant.
Pen. Very good. Okay, we also this one.
Ben.
Okay,
Ben.
pen or paint or
Pencil.
pencil. Okay. Anything else? We
Mm.
also have paper. Paper. Pants. Okay, so that's a lot. Pencil, person, and pocket. Oh, pocket is here. What about letter R? Ring and
Rabbit. No, no, no. It's
R.
not have rabbit.
Red.
Ring.
Yeah, red.
Ring.
Ring. Very good. Ring. Red. What else?
No, where is a ring?
The ring. Let's look at their hands. Oh, there's no ring. Ring. Oh, there isn't any ring in here, right? Okay, so let's look for another word that starts with letter R. Oh, it's hard. So let's see. Oh, rucksack and oh yeah, rocks. There are so many rocks here. Okay, what about letter S, Peter? Scissors and
Mm.
there are so many letter S here.
Do you see it? You saw it?
Sieve. Uh-huh. We have
Mm.
scissors, shells. What else? Starfish.
Oh, starfish.
Then seagrass. Okay, even the snake, spot, sweater. So they are all S.
Where
How
is
about
spot?
letter T?
Where is
Mm-hmm.
spot?
The
Where is spot?
spot. This one, the ladybug has some spot.
Oh,
Okay. What about letter T? Teacher.
t-shirt.
What
T-shirt.
else? T-shirt. Okay, who wears
Mm,
a t-shirt?
this.
Oh, that is actually a sweater.
Mm,
A
tree.
sweater.
Tree. Tree.
Trees. Very good. Okay, so anything else? I think that's it. Okay, great. Oh, tooth, tail, and tree. So who has got a tail? Yeah, the fish has got a tail. Even the
But where is
mouse.
tooth? Tooth.
Tooth. When we say
Where?
tooth, that's the
Teeth.
one tooth. Let's look at the snake. I think the snake has some tooth like this one. Actually, this is not what we call tooth, but that is the teeth of the snake. But in science, we call it fangs. The snake's teeth are what we call fangs, but that is considered tooth in this picture. Okay, what about letter U, uniform and umbrella? What else?
Umbrella.
Umbrella and
Apple.
underground.
Apple. Apple. There's an
What's
apple. No, no. Apple.
what's that?
Apple. Unique cloud.
Let's see. Okay, just the two, uniform and umbrella. Okay, so one more, Peter. Water, W. So we also have here what? What else? There's another one. What? Water, watch,
White.
and.
White. White.
Okay.
Color. White. Color.
Mm-hmm.
There's color white in this picture.
White. Yeah, that's right. White and watermelon. Okay, wings. So yes, some animals in here have wings just like the bat, the butterflies, the ladybugs, they have wings. Even the parrot has some wings. Okay, so well done for that, Peter. I'm going to give you this. Great job. So this time, Peter, I want you to look and read. In reading and writing part one,
In reading and writing book one, the definition usually come from only three or four topics browse. Now to add here the definition animal walk, thing you wear a spoon walk. Make sure you understand that the walk above, below, and to the side of definition are the possible as well. You know, you will not need to use the answer.
great. Thank you so much for reading that one, Peter. You are a great reader. However, there are two words that you mispronounce. I want you to say groups.
Root
Great. And this one, answers.
and
Nice. Okay, so wow, let's look and read. Then you choose the correct words, then say it to me. So there's actually one example here. Okay, but before we start, let's look at the words, Peter. So what are the choices? We have
Yeah. What did you call it? Card.
Let me see. It's a card.
Card.
Okay, so
In
we
my
have
school,
here.
I and my friends play. We hold it card, and when we hit it in the ground, the the other card, maybe 20 or 50, is can flip.
Mm.
And how many cards we slip we have then.
Ah, okay. So wow, thank you for sharing about that one, Peter. Yeah, I also know how to play cards, like Uno cards, Pokemon cards. I know how to play it.
I have in the school. My friend have many Pokemon cup. He have a big box of cup,
Oh, wow.
4 box, one box, um, 4 box, one box have 100. No. 1 million. 1 million.
Wow,
Like
that's a
that.
lot of cards. Okay. So
One
going back,
million.
uh-huh.
Is that 1 million?
Oh, this is 1,000.
1,000.
Yes, 1,000 cards. Very good. So in here, Peter, here are the choices. We have languages, sunglasses, a bracelet, a dictionary, a snail, science, pocket, crown, insect, college, camel,
So
instrument,
I do
swimsuits,
it now.
wings, and fur. So which words in here that you don't know?
Mm, don't have.
Okay, which words are, do you know all of the choices?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, now look and read. There is actually one example in here. So you can use this to see the spellings and meanings of words. So what do we use? We use the dictionary. What about this? Your turn, Peter.
Mm, in the middle. Ah, instrument.
That's right. Instruments. What about number two?
Woman and girl. Swimsuit.
Wow. How about number three?
Mm, birds and butterfly use these to have them fly high wings.
Very good. Four.
Mm, these are the work and ways people speak different language.
Wow. Very nice. Languages. How about number five?
Insect.
Try again, please. This is the best animal perhaps to ride when you want to cross a desert. What's that?
Mm, camel.
A camel. Very good. Okay, number six.
Ah, science.
Very nice. Okay, seven.
Mm, 4.
Okay, this is the soft coat that animals like
4.
rabbits and
4.
kittens have on their bodies. What's your answer?
4. 4.
Okay, you say fur. Fur.
4. 4.
Very good. What about number eight? If you are wearing jeans, you can put your key or phone in this
Pocket. Pocket.
pocket. Yay. Okay, nine. Older students go to this place to learn
School.
subjects
School.
like history or
No.
geography.
Is that school or college?
This is a college. Yay. Then last one. A king might wear this on his head when he is with other important
Crown.
people. Wow, perfect, Peter. So easy peasy for you. So for that, I'm going to give you one big candy. Great.
Oh,
Okay. So this time, Peter, I want you to look at the picture. What can you see?
I can see a cat, a fish, and a hen.
That's right. Okay. So what are the same about these words?
Fish. Oh,
Yeah. What are the same?
Mm, mm, same what?
Okay.
I don't
So
know.
they have the same what? They have the same color. They are orange. Okay. So,
No.
wow. So, actually, we are done. So, let's look at this one, Peter. So, I'm going to think of an animal, clothes, or body word, and you must guess it. You can actually ask question about it, but teacher AM can
Teacher,
only answer
first
yes or no.
the hen, first the hen is yellow.
Okay. I don't know. This probably is brown, but in this one, it looks like yellow or orange. Mm, like that. Okay, but the color of the hand actually depends to your what do you call that one? To your race. Like for example, me, I'm a Filipino. So some Filipinos have white skin, some Filipinos have darker skin, some have skin tone like that. Just like me, my
Teacher,
I have skin tone.
teacher,
Mm-hmm.
teacher.
Yeah.
I have a robot. A robot can dance.
Oh wow, very good. Are you pushing something so that it will dance?
No, I turn this.
Ah, okay. Who gave it to you, Peter?
Mm, I tell my mom to buy it.
Oh, your mom bought it. Very good. So what are you going to do after our class, Peter?
I go to learn math.
Where?
Math. Math. I go to learn
Wh-
math.
what is Lanmat? Is that a name of a place?
No, math. Subject.
Oh, you're going to learn math. Very good. Oh, thank you for that clarification, Peter. So anyway, you did great in our class. So you have this one great job and one candy. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Peter.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.